What's up guys, it's GF Test channel. Today the fingerprint test on the Xiaomi Mi 9. This is the in-display fingerprint phone. So let's get started. Okay guys, first set the fingerprint on this device. I am put the right finger on this device and this phone is in-display fingerprint. It is faster or slow? What do you think guys? Your opinion comment in the comment section below. Okay, fingerprint setup is finished. Let's try out now. Yep, it's working good. I once again, and yep, it's good. It's not bad. Again I am testing. It's cool guys. It's working. It's speed, not bad. Yep, it's as well as same as OnePlus 16. Is the speed? It's good. It's good. It's not bad. Well guys, it's the speed working is good. I'm just comparing the Xiaomi Mi 9 versus the Mi 8. Mi 8 is the rear fingerprint. It's not in display. I'm testing the in-display fingerprint versus the rear fingerprint phone, which is the faster one. What did you think guys? Your opinion comment in the comment section below. Okay, let's get to the started the fingerprint test. Okay, let's start. 3 2 1. Yep guys, it's actually the same time working. It's not bad. Yeah, once again. Yep, it's not good. Yeah, once again testing. Okay, sorry guys, it's small mistake. And once again I'm testing. Let's start now. Yep guys, mostly guys you watch it's same time but similar changes only. Sometime Xiaomi Mi 8 is fast unlock, and yep, this time is unlocking in the Xiaomi Mi 9. Guys, my opinion, rear fingerprint is working as faster. Once again I'm testing guys. Yep, see guys, quickly opening on the Xiaomi Mi 8. This time is Mi 9. Once again I'm testing. Little bit, you just one tap on your fingerprint, it's unlock the phone on the Xiaomi Mi 8, but Mi 9 is doesn't, because it's a under display, so it's a little bit slow. And my opinion, Xiaomi Mi 8 is a faster unlocking because it's a rear fingerprint. In display fingerprint little bit slow, but it's good. It's not bad.